Let's set up this Excel spreadsheet to highlight and bold every active cell we click on. We're applying this to our timesheet from On the Clock so that we can really see the details. You need to remember cell K1. I'll show you why later. Select the area where you want the bold and the highlight to be. Then we're going to go to conditional formatting, new rule, and let's enter a formula. Equals address. Follow this exactly as shown. We are referencing A1 because it is the upper left of our cell range that we want this rule to apply to. And remember I said K1, now we're saying equals K1 because we needed a cell outside of the range we selected. So let's choose a yellow fill and bold font and hit OK and OK again. So that's the conditional formatting piece. Next, Developer tab, Visual Basic. You need to make sure your sheet is selected, and we're going to go to the drop-down and Worksheet. Then you just need to enter a quick line of code. It's range, that K1 cell is appearing again. Make sure that's in double quotes. And then we need to type active cell dot address. And the only other thing you need to do is go to the upper right of this window, close it out, and you're back to your spreadsheet. Now, as you're clicking around, looking at the different hours for each employee and all of the details, it's going to highlight and bold each cell, making it really easy to see.